friends, my name is Varanili. I just completed 4th standard. Today I am going to explain the previous year's paper SOF IMO 2023-24 Set A 5th standard. In this question paper, there are 15 logical reasoning questions which carry each 1 mark and 20 mathematical reasoning questions which carry each 1 mark and 10 everyday mathematics questions which carry each 1 mark. At last, in Achiever section, there are 5 questions which each carry 3 marks. So why to wait? Let's start the video. Question number 1. How many different combinations of one AC and one remote each can be formed from the given ACs and remote? If you see that they have told how many different combinations can we make from one AC and one remote. So let's see. If you think this is the first AC and first remote makes one combination, and the first AC again takes the second remote and makes second combination, and the first AC again takes third remote and make the third combination. So each AC can take the 3 remotes and make 3 combinations. So there are 5 ACs total. So 5 into 3, then we'll get the answer as 15. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2. Which of the following squares must be shaded so that the given figure becomes symmetrical along the dotted line? They have given a dotted line and we have to make it symmetrical. So let's see. Here P is missing. You can see here. So P is the right answer. Option B. Symmetry means mirror image. Question number 3. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the 3 figures. You can see the rule. We have to multiply these 2 and we get the answer this. So let's try. 21 multiplied by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So this is right. And 18 nines are 162. So we have to find the same here. So we will divide this 6 from 138 and we'll get what number is this side, in this side. So 138 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. 1 will be left, 18 3s are. So 23 is the answer. Option B is the right answer. 3B. Question number 4. In a certain code language, if danger is written as ADENR, then how will master be written in the same code language? The code language is in alphabetical order. So let's try. A will come first, then E, then M, R, S and T. So A, E, M, R, S, T. Option D is the right answer. 4D. Question number 5. Select the correct water image of the given word. Water image means upside down. Here WATCH, watch. And here W is, yes, it is upside down and A also, but T is like that only. So option A is wrong. W is upside down, yes, A is also, and T also, and C also. But you can see H, if it is upside down also, it will remain the same. So option B is the right answer. Question number 6. Which of the following Venn diagrams best represent the relationship amongst professors, doctors and women? You can see here, we'll think that these are professors, P, and these are doctors, D, and women, W. Some women professors can be also there, so this one is right. And some women doctors can be also there, so this also right. And doctors can also be professors. And some women can also be professors plus doctor. Here there are some women which are professors plus doctors. So option C correctly represents for the question. So option C is the right answer. Question number 7. Rashi is facing north. She turns 135 degrees clockwise and then 270 degrees anti-clockwise. In which direction is she facing now? Clockwise means how the clock moves, and anti-clockwise means the opposite of clockwise. So we'll make the directions north, south, east and west. She is facing to north and she took 135 degrees clockwise. Clocks move like this. So clock is this side. She took 135 degrees clockwise and then again she took 270 degrees anti-clockwise. Means again she took like this. So where she is facing to southwest. Where is it option in question number 7? Option D. Option D is the right answer. Question number 8. Some letters are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as given below. Arrange the given letters so to form a meaningful English word and select the correct option. You can think which word can we make? Yes, we can make singer. S-I-N-G-E-R. So S is 2, I is 6 and N is 4, G is 1 and E is 5, R is 3. So where is that number here? 2, 6, 4, 1, 5, 3. In option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. 8B. Question number 9. Which of the following options will complete the given figure pattern? You can see the pattern here. They have told us to complete the pattern. So here black. So here also will come black like a triangle, and here semicircle. They had made circle. So here is a circle and a triangle. All will be in black color because all are in black color. So then black, black, black. In which option is that? Triangle, circle and triangle. Option B. So option B is the right answer. 9B. Question number 10. Select the odd one out. For this we have to write the alphabets. So let's write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So let's see. P, where's P here? Here P, then S. There are between two letters between P and S. Then V. Again two letters are between S and V. So and here J, M, P. J, M and P. Again two letters between and here also two letters between. C, E, G. C, E and G. Only one letter is in between. So this will be the answer. Option C is the right answer. For checking, we will do option B also. G, J and M. Here also two letters between. Two letters between. So option C is the right answer. Then C. 11. Question number 11. Find the number of squares in the given figure. How many squares are there? We have to find in the given figure. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you can see here also this is also a square. So 13 and here 14 and here 15 and 16 and then 17. So there are total 17 squares in this figure. So option C is the right answer. 11C. Question number 12. If all the symbols are removed from the given arrangement, then which of the following element will be third to the left of fifth element from the right? And for this we have to go from backwards. First we will remove all the symbols, which is @var, you cancel them, and question mark, percentage, hash, and dollar. So which will be the fifth from the right hand? This is right side. So fifth, first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. Because the symbols are removed, so C is the fifth element from the right hand, and third to the left. Left side is this side, so we'll continue it. So third, first, second, and third. So 5 is the answer. Option B. Option B is the right answer. 12B. Question number 13. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side of. Identify the relationship on the left pair and find the missing figure. From here to here, it is 90 degrees and again plus 45 degrees. Means the pattern took 135 degrees turn. So here also 135 degrees turn will take, and it will become like how will become? Like option A. So option A is the right answer. Question number 14. Prerna's father has to attend a press conference on 5th day from the second Friday of June 20XX. On which date did Prerna's father attend the conference? On which date he had to attend the conference? From 5th day from second Friday. So which is the second Friday in June 20XX? So 9th is the second Friday. From means we have to also count 9 and then we'll see the answer. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. 13th June 20XX is the right answer. Option C. 14C. 15. Question number 15. Arrange the given words in a meaningful logical order and select the correct option. First, you are infant, and then you become a child, and then you study means education, and then job. So infant 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 3, 1, 2. Where is that option in question number 15? Option C. Option C is the right answer. Question number 16. How many angles inside the given figure are less than a right angle? Right angle has 90 degrees. And you can see any angle less than 90 degrees? No. So option A is the right answer. 0. Question number 17. Which of the following letters has exactly 2 lines of symmetry? Symmetry means mirror image. So does letter G has symmetry? No, because it doesn't have any mirror image. And M, yes, it has only 1. But I has 1 and 2. So option C is the right answer. 17C. Number 18. Which of the following fractions are arranged in descending order? Descending order means big to small. So first we'll convert the denominators equal. If the denominators are equal, then in numerators which number is big, that will be the bigger fraction. So let's change. 1 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 5 equals 5 by 35, and then 2 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 5 equals 10 by 35, and then 2 by 5 multiplied by 7 by 7 equals 14 by 35. So here in numerators which number is big? 14. So which is it? 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 will be first, then 2 by 7, then 5 by 35. So let's see. Where is that option? 2 by 5, 2 by 7, 1 by 7. Option B is the right answer. 18B. Question number 19. Which of the following options shows the smallest 5-digit number that can be formed from the digit 4, 0, 2 and 9? Each digit at least 1. They have gave only 4 numbers, so and we have to make 5-digit number. So we'll use, they had told smallest. So we'll use the smallest number 2 times, but the smallest number is 0. If we put 0 in front, it will not be 5-digit number. So we'll use second smallest number, which is 2 times. 2, then we'll put 0, 4 and 9. So where is that option? 22,049. Option B is the right answer. Question number 11. Find the number of squares in the given figure. How many squares are there? We have to find in the given figure. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you can see here also this is also a square. So 13 and here 14 and here 15 and 16 and then 17. So there are total 17 squares in this figure. So option C is the right answer. 11C. Question number 20. How many prime numbers lie between 51 and 120? Prime numbers are which are not divisible by any number and it has only two factors of 1 and itself, and any even number is not a prime number except 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Now we'll find out the prime numbers between 51 and 120. We'll only see the odd numbers because most of the odd numbers are prime numbers. So next odd number is 53 is a prime number, and then 55 it can be divisible by 11, 57 it can be divisible by 3, so 59, then 61 is a prime number, then 63 it can be divisible by 3, 65 it can be divisible by 5, so 67, then 69 it can be divisible by 3, so 71 is a prime number, then 73 is a prime number, and 75 it can be divisible by 5, so 77 it can be divisible by 7, then 79 it cannot be divisible, then 81 it can be divisible by 3, and then 85 cannot be divisible, 85 can be divisible by 5, so then 87 it cannot be, it can be divisible by 3, so 89 is a prime number because it doesn't have any factors, it has only 1 and itself. So 89, then 91 it can be divisible by 13, so then 93 it can be divisible by 3, 95 it can be divisible by 5, so 97 is a prime number because it doesn't have any factors, it has only 1 in itself. 97, and then 101 is a prime number, 103 and 105 it can be divisible by 5, so 107 is a prime number, 109 and then 111 it can be divisible by 3, and so 113 here are the, and then 107 15 can be divisible by 5, and 117 it can be divisible by 3, 119 it can be divisible by 17 or 7. So here are some prime numbers between 51 and 120. So we'll count and see the answer in the options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So option B is the right answer. 20B. Direction 21 to 22. The given bar graph shows the number of apples eaten by the students of 2 schools over 5 weeks. Read the graph carefully and answer the following questions. This is the bar graph, and school P is colored in white color and school Q is colored in grey color. And these are the number of apples eaten by the schools. Two schools, and these are the number of weeks. So let's read the question. Question number 21. In how many weeks the number of apples eaten by students of school Q is more than that of school P? They are asking the question about how many number of weeks did school Q ate more apples than school P? So let's see. School Q is colored in black color. So in third week and fourth week, it had eaten more apples. So 2 weeks means option B, because 2 weeks 21B. Question number 21B. Question number 22. How many more numbers of apples eaten by students of school P than that of school Q in the first, second and fourth weeks altogether? They are asked how many more apples did school P had eaten in more than school Q. So we have to add first, second and fourth week and then subtract it from school Q's first and second and fourth weeks. So let's add and subtract. First week, school P ate 700 apples. P here 700, and then in second week it ate 550 apples. Sorry, and here in fourth week it ate 500 apples. So 500 apples. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. And here 5 plus 7 equals 12. 12 plus 5, 17. So school P ate 1750. And here school Q. First week it ate how many? 500. And second week it ate 400. And in fourth week it ate 600. So we'll add 0 plus 0 here 0. And here 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So school Q ate 1500 apples. Now we have to subtract school P from school Q from school P. So 1750 minus 1500. So we'll subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. And 1 minus 1, 0. So 250 is the answer. Where is that option in question number 22? Option C. Option C is the right answer. Question number 23. Find the perimeter of the shaded part of the given figure. Perimeter means the boundary, and they told us to find the perimeter of the shaded part. So first we'll count the sides, because each side is 5 cm. Then we'll multiply it by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. There are total 24 sides, and now we'll multiply it by 25. 24 multiplied by 5. So 5 4s are 20. So 0, and here 2 will put carry over, and then 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. So 120 centimeter is the answer, because they told you a centimeter. So option A is the right answer, 23A. Question number 24. Compare and fill the box. So now we have to find the answer, and here also, and which is bigger we have to find. So let's find. Now 15.796 plus 21.9 5, 8. So here we'll add 6 and here 9 plus 8, 77 and 1 here and here 8, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 3 and here 1 carry over. Then here 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 and here 1 plus 2, 3. Now we'll subtract it by 5.79. So 5.79. Let's subtract. Here 6 will come. 7 can't be divided. So from 7 we can't take 9. So we'll carry over here. And here it will become 2 and here 1 carry over. So it will become 17 and 17 plus 17 minus 9 is 8. Then here 2 it can't be, so we'll take 1. Here it will become 6 and here 1, 12 and then it will 12 minus 7, 5 and here we'll put point, 6 minus 5, 1 and here 3. So here for this one the answer is 31.586. Now we'll do the second one. The second one is here 29.825 plus 11.81. So we'll add, here it will become 5 because here addition is there, and then 3 and 8 plus 8, 16, 1 and here we'll put 1 and 1 carry over, 1 plus 9, 10 and plus 1, 11, 1 here and 1 again carry over. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 minus 6.912. Now 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 2 and here it can't be divided, so we'll take 1 here and it will become 0 and 1 carry over. 16 minus 9 is 7, then we'll put a point and here it can't, 0 minus 6 it can't be, so we'll take 1 more, 3 and here 1, 10 and here it will become 10 minus 4, 10 minus 6, 4 and 3. So this one, this side is the bigger one, so we'll put like this. So where is that option? Like this arrow? In option C. So option C is the right answer. Question number 25. How many letters are there in the given word which have perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines means a type of right angle. Let's see. R has a type of right perpendicular line. So R1 and then I also has, because here and G also has like this and H like this, T like this. So all the letters have perpendicular lines. So how many letters are there? 5 letters. So option B is the right answer. 25. Question number 26. Which of the following options shows 3 by 4 of the shade as shaded fraction? 3 by 4 shaded fraction, which option shows? Let's see. Option A shows it has 8 triangles in it. So, and 3 by 4 means 6 triangles, but only 4 triangles are shaded. So, and here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, but only 3 are shaded. So, it is not. And here option C shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are shaded. So option C is the right answer. 26C. Question number 27. The room temperature is 10 Celsius less than the temperature shown on the thermometer. What is the room temperature? They have showed a thermometer and they are telling that it is 10 Celsius less than the room temperature. The real temperature of the room is 10 Celsius less than what is showing on the thermometer. The 40 degrees Celsius is showing on the thermometer. So minus 10 we'll do because we want to find the real room's temperature. So minus will get 30 degrees Celsius. Option C. 27. Question number 28. Find the estimated sum of 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8 and 3, 1, 2, 8, 9, 5 by rounding off each number to the nearest thousands. We have to round the number nearest thousands and find the sum of both the numbers. So if we want to round the number nearest thousand, we have to look before the number. If it is 5 or more than 5, the number will change, increase 1 and all will become 0. So let's see. It is 5, so it will become 3, 4, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0 plus here. Then 8 is there. So 3, 1. It will change and 3 and 0, 0, 0. We'll add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And here 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 1, 2, 4 plus 3, 7. So 7, 2, 6, 0, 0, 0 is the answer. Option C. Question number 29. Subtract the sum of 48.215 and 115.117 from the product of 2 and 98.911. So they have told us to subtract to 48.211 plus 115.117 from 2 and 2 multiplied by 98.911. So first we'll do multiplication. 98.911 multiplied by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 1 and here carry over 1. So 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17 and 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. So then now we'll do addition for 48.215 plus 115.117. So let's add these two. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 2 and 1 here. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. And here 8 and 8 plus 5, 13, 3 and 1. And 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And here 1. So we have to subtract to 163.332 from 197.822. Let's subtract 197.822 minus 163.332. So 2 minus 2 0 and so we'll take 1 here because it can't be 7 and 1 here. 12 minus 3 is 9 and 7 minus 3 4. 7 minus 3 4 again and 9 minus 6 3. 1 minus 1 0. We can also write it by like this 34.49. So where is that option 34.49 in question number 29? Option A. Option A is the right answer. Question number 30. Bucket P can hold 15 liters 350 milliliters of water and bucket Q can hold 30 liters 170 milliliters of water. How much total water can the given buckets hold? They have showed us 2P buckets and 2Q buckets. So we have to add and then we'll get the answer. First we'll do P plus Q, then multiply it by 2 because 2P are there and 2Q are there. So P can hold 15 liters and 350 ml. So we'll write here 15 liters and 350 ml plus, and you can hold how much? 13 liters 170 milliliters. 13 liters 170 milliliters. So we'll add 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 7 12, 1 and here 1 get over, and 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5 ml, and here 5 plus 3 8, 1 plus 1 2 liters 28, and into 2 we have to do because there are 2 P buckets and 2 Q buckets. So into 2 then 28 liters 520 milliliters into 2. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Because 1 liter has 1000 milliliters, we'll take 1 here and put 0. These are ml, 40 ml, and 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17 and 1, and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 57 liters 40 ml. Where's that option in question number 30? We can also write it like this: 57 liters, or we can put a point and write 040. So where is that option? And liters, because we had put a point. So 57.040 liters is in question is in option B. Option B is the right answer. Question number 31. The given figure not drawn to scale is made up of a rectangle and a square. Find the total area of the given figure. Area is the inside portion of the figure. And remember that a square has all sides equal and a rectangle has opposite sides equal. If this much length is 35 centimeter and full length is 45. So till here it will be also 35 because opposite sides are equal. So 45 minus 35 equals 10. So a side of a square is 10 centimeter. And if you want to find the area of the figure, we have to multiply length into breadth. So now we have to find the breadth of the rectangle. Because all sides of a square are equal, so this side also will be 10 centimeter, and till this much is 5 centimeter, and this full side is a rectangle's breadth. Then we'll add 5 plus 10 and we'll get the side of breadth of the rectangle. 5 plus 10, 15 centimeter. So this is 15 centimeter. So now we have to multiply 35 into 15 plus 10 into 10. So 35 into 15, how much? We'll calculate here. 35 into 15. And 15 5s are 75, 5 and 7. 15 3s are how much? 45 plus 7, 52. So 52 centimeter square, because we have multiplied 2 units, so it will come square. So centimeter square and plus, and what is the value of 10 into 10? 100. So we'll add, because they told the total area of the both figures. Here also centimeter square, because we had multiplied 2 units centimeter. So then here 5 plus 0 5 and 2 plus 0 2 and 5 plus 1 6 centimeter square. 625 centimeter square. Where is the option in question number 31? Option A. Option A is the right answer. And to find the area of a square, we need to multiply length into breadth. And for a square also, if any side is A, then all the side will be A, because all the sides are equal. So A square will be the area of the square. So option A is the right answer, 31A. Question number 32. The number name for the number shown on the baskets in International System of Numeration is. International System, they put after 3 numbers a comma. In our national system, first 3, then they put after 2 numbers. So here it will come. This is 5. 5, no? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And here 3. 3 and this 1. 1 and here 3 again. This is 0. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. In international system, here they call lakhs as hundreds. So it will become 531,307. 531,307. Where is that option in question number 32? Let's see. 5,31,307. No, because it's our national system, not that one. 53,137. No. 531,307. This is the right option. For checking, we'll do option D also. 503,137. No. Option C is right answer. 32C. Question number 33. Which square must be shaded so that the figure has a line of symmetry? Symmetry means the mirror image. Will look like this. First, like this will look. So which square? Here 2 must be shaded. Square 2 must be shaded. So we'll do 2. Where is that option 2? In option B is the right answer. 33B. Question number 34. The given clock shows the time at which a bus terminated from bus stop P and arrived at bus stop Q. How much time did it take to arrive at bus stop Q? This clock shows the time on which the bus left from bus stop P, and this clock shows the time on which the bus reached bus stop Q. So how much time it take? We have to subtract and we'll get the answer. We have to subtract to the arrival, the termination time from arrival time. So let's see. The time here is showing 5:50. So and here it is showing here 5:50. And here it is showing as 7:15. 7:15. So now we'll subtract it. 7:15 minus 5:50. Because 15, we can't take 50 from 50. We will take 1 hour this side. And 1 hour has 60 minutes. So 60 minutes will increase. And here it will become 6. And plus 60 minutes, it will become 75 minutes. So 5 minus 0, 5. And then 7 minus 5 is 2. And here point, because we'll put a dot, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So it took 1 hour 25 minutes to arrive at bus stop Q from bus stop P. So where's that option? 1 hour 25 minutes? Option B. Option B is the right answer. 34B. Question number 35. Which of the following is the least common multiple of 15, 45 and 150? Least common multiple means LCM. Now we'll take the LCM and we'll find the answer. 15, 45 and 150. In which table will it go? In 15 table. So we'll take 15 here. 15 ones are, 15 threes are, and 15 tens are. Because all cannot go, we'll multiply it. 15 into 1, 15 into 1, 15, and 15 threes are 45, 45 into 10, 450. So LCM equals to 450. Where is that option in question number 35? Option D. Question number 36. Kanika bought 3 2/5 meter 3 1 by 3rd meter and 2 3 by 5th meter of cloth for 3 dresses. If these 3 pieces were cut from a 25 meters roll of cloth, then how much cloth was left in the roll? Kanika bought 3 pieces of cloth for 3 dresses, and these 3 pieces of cloth were cut from 25 meters roll of cloth, and they are asking how much cloth is left. So first we'll change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's change. 5 3s are 15. Here we have to do multiplication and here addition. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. 17 by 5 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3 plus then 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 5. So for this, now we will change the denominators equal. So let's change. For this we'll do here 17 by 5 into 3 by 3 plus 10 by 3 into 5 by 5 plus 13 into 5, 13 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 3. So now let's change. Here it will become 15. 5 3s are 15 and 17 3s are how much? 51. So 51 plus 5 3s are 15 and 10 5s are 50 plus 5 3s are 15 and 13 3s are 39. So if the denominators are equal, then now we can add numerators. So now we'll add numerators equal. Here will equal, and then 51 plus 50 101 plus 39 for 101 plus 39. 1 plus 9 10. Here 1 carry over. 1 plus 0 1 plus 3 4. So 140 is the answer. 140. And now we'll subtract 140 by 15 from 25 meters. So 140 by 15. Here we'll put minus and then 25 meters. So think that if question number 36, Kanika bought 3 2 by 5th meter, 3 1 by 3rd meter and 2 3 by 5th meter of cloth for 3 dresses. If these 3 pieces were cut from a 25 meters roll of cloth, then how much cloth was left in the roll? Kanika bought 3 pieces of cloth for 3 dresses, and these 3 pieces of cloth were cut from 25 meters roll of cloth, and they are asking how much cloth is left. So first we'll change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's change. 5 3s are 15. Here we have to do multiplication and here addition. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. 17 by 5 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3 plus then 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 5. So for this, now we will change the denominators equal. So let's change. For this we'll do here 17 by 5 into 3 by 3 plus 10 by 3 into 5 by 5 plus 13 into 5, 13 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 3. So now let's change. Here it will become 15. 5 3s are 15 and 17 3s are how much? 51. So 51 plus 5 3s are 15 and 10 5s are 50 plus 5 3s are 15 and 13 3s are 39. So if the denominators are equal, then now we can add numerators. So now we'll add numerators equal. Here will equal, and then 51 plus 50, 101 plus 39, 101 plus 39. 1 plus 9, 10. Here 1 carry over. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 3, 4. So 140 is the answer. 140. And now we'll subtract 140 by 15 from 25 meters. So 140 by 15. Now we'll divide it. We'll divide it by 5. 5 3s are 5 2s are 4 will left 8. So 20 here 25 minus 28 by 3. Because here they have told us, because here 3 pieces are cut from 25 meters roll. So we will minus and we'll find the answer how much is left. How much cloth is left. So below every natural number there is 1. So if we want to make the denominators equal, we'll divide it, we'll multiply it by 3. So 25 3s are 75. So 75 by 3 minus 28 by 3. So if denominators are equal, so we'll subtract it and we'll find the answer. Here we'll do 75 minus 28. So we'll take 1. Here 6 and 1. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 2, 4. So equals 47 by 3. And they told here all the options are in mixed fraction, so we'll make it into mixed fraction. 3 ones are, and then 1 will be left. So 17, it is 5 are 15 here, and then how much will be left? 2. So equals 15 2 by 3rd. Where is that option in question number 36? The option is not there. So option D is the right answer because none of these is the answer. Question number 37. A water tank has a capacity of 48,265 liters. If 245 liters of water is supplied to each family, then water for how many families can be supplied from that water tank? Now we'll divide it and find the answer for how many families can the water be supplied from that tank. So let's divide it. 4,8,265 by 245. It can be divided by 5, so we'll divide it by 5. 5 4s are 20 and 9s are. Then here 5 will take 2 numbers. 5 9s are, and then 5 6s are, 5 5s are, 5 3s are. So now we'll divide it by 7. 7 7s are, 7 1s are, and then 2 will be left. 26 means 3s are because 21, and then 5 will be left 55. It cannot be. 7s are 49. Then 6 will be left. 9s are 63. So 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 and 67. 9s are and 4 will be left. 49 7s are. So 197 is the answer. Where is that option in question number 37? Option D. Option D is the right answer. Question number 38. Myra and Navya are playing in a rectangular garden which is 8.5 meters long and 4.5 meters wide. Find the perimeter of the garden. Perimeter means boundary, and the rectangle has opposite sides equal. So, if the length is 8.5 meters, now we'll multiply it by 2 and then add 4.5 meters multiplied by 2. So let's see like this. 8.5 multiplied by 2 plus 4.5 meters multiplied by 2. Also meters. Then 8.5 into 2, how much? How much it will become? It will become 8. 2 5s are 10. So 0 here and 1 carry over. And here point will come and 2 8s are 16, 17. 17 meters plus and 2 5s are 10 again. 0 and here point and 1 here. And 2 4s are 8, 9. So 9 meters. 17 meters plus 9 meters equals how much? 26 meters. So option A is the right answer. 38A. Question number 39. Soham has 5 balls having digits 4, 2, 3, 1 and 7. The smallest 5-digit odd number that Soham can form using the digits each only once. We can use the digits only once and we have to make the smallest 5-digit odd number. And see, if we make normally also it will be odd only. See, let's try. 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 7. It's an odd number because the last number is 7. 7 is an odd number. So, where's that 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 in question number 39? Option D is the right answer. 39D. Question number 40. Arun purchased a book for 150.45 rupees, a pair of shoes for 280.25 rupees and a shirt for 175.35 rupees. How much total money did he spend in all? We have to add all the numbers and we'll get the answer how much he spent. Now let's add. So 150.45 and 280.25, 175.35. So let's add. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, 5 and 1 carry over. And 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So 1 and here 1 point and we'll put here 1 carry over. So 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 0 is 1, plus 5 is 6. And here 5 plus 8 is 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 7 is 20, 0 and 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 606.05 is the answer. Where's the option in question number 40? Option B is the right answer. Question number 41. Manish saved 5,24,370 in 2021 and 7,15,942 rupees in 2022. If he spends 1,54,718 in the beginning of 2023 from his savings, then how much total money will be left with him Now we'll add these two and subtract 1,54,000 718 from it. So let's add. Now 5,24,370 plus 15,942. 0 plus 2, 2, and here 11, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 and 1 carry over, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 and 1 carry over, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, and 5 plus 7, 12. So, and minus 1,54,718. 1,54,718. Because we want to find how much money is left with him. Now let's subtract it. Here we'll take and 12 minus 8 is 4, and again 2 and 1. Here 1 minus 10 minus 1 is 9, and here 3, 9 and 12. 12 minus 7 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, and here it can't be, so here 1 and here 1. 13 minus 5 is 8, and 1 minus 1 is 0, and this. So he left with 10,85,594. So where's that option in question number 41? Option C is the right answer. Option C. Question number 42. Prerna has to make 6 paintings on a chart paper. The size of each painting should be 48 cm by 15 cm. Find the total area of paper used to make all those paintings. So she has to make 6 paintings on a chart paper, and the area and the drawing should be 48 cm by 15 cm. So then we'll multiply it 48 cm by 15 cm and then again multiply it by 6 because she need to make 6 paintings. So let's multiply 48 multiplied by 15. So 15 8s are how much? 15 8s are 120. 0 and 12, and 15 4s are 60, 72. And then into 6 will do into 6. 6 zeros are 0, and 6 2s are 12, and 1 carry over, and 6 7s are 42, 43. So the total area is 4,320 square centimeter. Where's that option in question number 42? Option D is the right answer. Option D. Question number 43. Surbhi could complete a swimming race in 5 minutes 18 seconds. After some practice, she could complete the same race in 4 minutes 52 seconds. By how much time did her performance improve? We'll subtract 4 minutes 52 seconds from 5 minutes 18 seconds and we'll find the answer. How many seconds or minutes did she improve her performance? Let's subtract 5 minutes and here 18 seconds. 4 minutes 52 seconds. We can't subtract 52 from 18, so we'll take 1 minute. 1 minute has 60 seconds. So it will become 4 and here it will become 78. So 8 minus 2 is 6 and 7 minus 5 is 2 and here 4 minus 4 is 0. So her performance improved by 26 seconds. So where is that option in question number 43? Option B is the right answer. 44B. 43. Question number 44. A toy company manufactured 475,615 toy bags in a particular month, but sold only 215,120 out of them. How many toy bikes were left in the company in that month? In a particular month, a toy company manufactured 475615 toys, and only 215120 toys were sold out of them. So we will have to find how many toys were left unsold. So we'll subtract it and find the answer. Let's subtract. 475,615 minus 215 and 120. So 5 minus 0 is 5, and we'll take 5 and 1. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 7 minus 1 is 6. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So 260,495 were left unsold. Where's that option in question number 44? Option A is the right answer. Question number 45. There are 34,384 sacks of rice in a godown. These sacks were equally supplied to 14 shops. How many sacks were supplied to each shop? There were 34,384 sacks in a godown of rice. So, and those sacks were equally supplied to 14 shops. And we have to find how many sacks were supplied to each shop. So we'll divide it and find the answer. 384 by 14. We'll divide it by 14 and find 14 ones are 14 twos are. And 63 6 will be remaining, and 63 means 4s are, and 78 it can be, so 5s are 70, and 84 6 are. So 2, 4, 5, 6 sacks were supplied to each shop. 2,456. Where is that option in question number 45? Option B. Question number 46. Study the given figure carefully and select the correct option. These are the figures and these are the options. Option A. There are total 3 acute angles inside the given figure. Acute angle means which are less than 90 degrees. This is a right angle which has 90 degrees. And acute angle means which is less than 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And obtuse angle is also there, which is more than 90 degrees. Which is more than 90 degrees. Now let's, acute angles are there? Yes. 1 and 2. Only 2 acute angles are there, but they told 3 acute angles. Let's check here also. Yes. There are only 2 acute angles in both figures. So option A is wrong. And there are total 10 right angles inside the given figure. 10 right angles. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are only 4 right angles inside both of the figures. So option B is also wrong. There is no obtuse angle inside the given figure. There is 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 obtuse angles inside the given figure, but they told there is no obtuse angle. So option C is also wrong, and option D is none of these. So option D is the right answer. 46D. Question number 47. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. The value of MCMLXXIX is P. So M means 1000, C means 100, and L means 50, X means 10, and I means 1. And so if I is in front, in left side of X, it will always be subtracted. 10 minus 1 become, and if C is left side of m, it will be always subtracted. 1000 minus 100 will become. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. 1950 plus 10 plus 10 is 70. 1970 plus 9, 1979 is P. So where is that option? Here in option A and option C. So let's check the second one. In the number 58736, the successor of the place value of digit at hundreds place is Q. Place value means like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so 5,000, 10,000 like that. So here at hundreds place, what is that? 7. So it will become 700, and successor means after number or plus 1, and predecessor means before number, that is minus 1. So if we do 700 plus 1, it will become 701. And only option C is the right answer. So for checking, we'll watch the third one. Rounding off to the greatest 6-digit number formed by using the digits 5, 3, 1 and 7. Each digit at least once to the nearest thousands is R. They have gave only 4 numbers and we have to make 6-digit number. So we'll use, and they told us to make the greatest. So we'll use the greatest number 3 times. So it will come 7, 7, 7, 5, 3, 1. And they had told us to round off to the nearest thousands. Thousands is what? Here 7. So before that is 5. So it will become, will change. It will become as 77800. So option C is fully correct. So 47C. Question number 48. The given line graph shows the number of persons who got jobs in the given years. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. This is the graph and these are the questions. Question number 1. How many less persons got the job in the year 2012 than the years 2015 and 2016 together? We'll add these two and then we have to subtract 2012 from the addition of 2015 and 2016. Let's add. What is the number of here? 2012 first we'll see 25,000. So 2,500. And here in 2015 it is 3,000. So 3,000. And in 2016 4,000. So first we'll add these two. It will become 7,000. And 7,000 minus 2,500 is how much? Let's see. 7,000 minus 2,500. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And here we'll take 6 and here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4,500 is the answer. Let's see here this side. Options are, in only option D is the answer. For checking, we'll do second also. If 2/5 of the total persons who got the job in the year 2013 are government sector, then how many persons were recruited? Question number 48. The given line graph shows the number of persons who got jobs in the given years. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. This is the graph and these are the questions. Question number 1. How many less persons got the job in the year 2012 than the years 2015 and 2016 together? We'll add these two and then we have to subtract 2012 from the addition of 2015 and 2016. Let's add. What is the number of here? 2012 first we'll see 25,000. So 2,500. And here in 2015 it is 3,000. So 3,000. And in 2016 4,000. So first we'll add these two, it will become 7,000. And 7,000 minus 2,500 is how much? Let's see. 7,000 minus 2,500. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And here we'll take 6 and here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4,500 in only option D. So option D is the right answer. For checking, we'll do second one also. If 2/5 of the total persons who got the jobs in the year 2013 are in government sector, then how many persons were recruited in private sector in the year? So how many persons are there in 2013 who got jobs? Let's see. 4,500. 4,500. So we want to find how many are in private sector. So 2/5 are in government sector. So 3/5 will be in private sector. So we'll multiply it by 3/5 and we'll find the answer. Let's find. So 4,500 multiplied by 3/5. So it can be, so 5 ones are 5 nines are and 0 0. 900 into 3 is 2,700. So option D is fully correct. So option D is the right answer. Question number 49. What is the smallest number of squares that must be shaded so that the given figure has a line of symmetry? Symmetry means mirror image. First we'll check like this. Let's see. Here one more must be shaded. And this side one. And here one more and here one must be shaded. And then here 2 and here 1 and here one more. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares. Like this line of symmetry must have more 8 squares must be shaded so that the figure has a line of symmetry. And now we'll check it. Now we'll check it like this. Let's see. Now here 1 must be shaded. Sorry, here 1. So 1 and then here 1 must be shaded. So here 2 it will become and 3 and 4, 5 and then here 6 and 7 and then 8. So here 8 must be shaded. So here like this 8. Now we'll check it like this. Now let's check. Like this line of symmetry. Now here, now 1 here must be shaded. So 1 and then here must be shaded. Here it is here 2, then here 2. So here also. So 3 and 4. And then here 5, 6 and 7. So like this 7. Now we'll take like this line of symmetry. So now let us check like this line of symmetry. Here 1 must be shaded. This side 1 and then this side 2 and this side 3 and 4 and here 1 more. So here 5 and 6 and here 7 and 8. So here like this also 8. So the least number is like this. Least number is 7. So option B is the right answer. 49B, because the least number of squares must be shaded so that it becomes symmetrical is 7. So option B is the right answer. Question number 50. Read the following statement about the given figure carefully and state T for true and F for false. This is the figure and where. These are the sentences. The shaded decimal part of the given figure is 0.5. 0.5 means half. How many triangles are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are total 16 triangles. And how many shaded? Let's see how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the half of 16. So this is true. And let's see the second sentence. If 5 more triangles become shaded, then the unshaded fraction of the given figure is 10 by 16? No. Already a unshaded fraction is 8 by 16. And if more 5 are added, then it will not be 8 by 16. Let's once we'll try. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 actually. Only unshaded fraction is which are white. So the answer is 3 by 15. 3 by 16, but they told 10 by 15. So this is false. And the third one is the number of more triangles that must be shaded so that the given figure is 0.75 as the shaded decimal part is 6. 0.75 means 3 by 4. And 3 by 4 if we want to make 3 by 4 then we will multiply it like this. 16 multiplied by 3 by 4 because we need to find what is the 3 by 4 term. So 4 ones are and 4 fours are. We'll do first division, then 4 into 3 is 12. So 12 must be shaded. Already 8 are shaded. So how many more? 4. But they told 6. So this is also false. So T, F, F. Where's that option in question number 50? Option D is the right answer. 50D. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.